Finish this exhaust up. ZZP headers, 3-inch downpipe. ZZP, all the way back, 3-inch. Finish up in here. ZZP muffler. Let's see what it sounds like. She all done. She all done. 3-inch. She all done. See what she sound like. I'm gonna leave it just like that. That should look fat. I like that shit. I don't need nothing fancy. I'll give y'all a real quick sound of this exhaust with that ZZP muffler on it. My car dirty as shit. Just got off work. Meineke. Just got off work. Let's see what it sounds like. Still kind of loud if you ask me. That shit's still loud, man. I'm kind of mad. Like, I wanted to be a little, you know what I mean? I mean, like, the sound, it changed a little bit. Like, the pitch changed, you know? It's a little deeper, but you know, I never liked a loud car, man. I just like it quiet but quick. But anytime you want something quiet, you're gonna restrict the power. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. But probably leave it like this for now. Sitting right down there. It is what it is. Test drive it, see what it sounds like. Long day at work. Real long day. Hot. It's too hot. But let's go and let's go test drive this thing, see what it sounds like.